Hello, everyone. Welcome on board. Today, we are going to learn and review 120 of most common and important short English phrases and sentences that you will need them in daily life conversation. If you want to learn them properly, don't forget to repeat them after me. Let's get it started. Be ready. Be ready. Excuse me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me. Then when. Then when. How sweet. How sweet. Take this. Take this. Stay away. Stay away. Finish it. Finish it. All right. All right. Me either. Me either. Me neither. Me neither. Same here. Same here. No worries. No worries. Bless you. Bless you. It happens. It happens. Never mind. Never mind. No kidding. No kidding. I agree. I agree. I disagree. I disagree. How great. How great. Next time. Next time. Last time. Last time. Right here. Right here. Right there. Right there. Right now. Right now. Over there. Over there. You got it. You got it. I apologize. I apologize. Many thanks. Many thanks. This evening. This evening. This morning. This morning. My pleasure. My pleasure. Any problem. Any problem. How foolish. How foolish. Go straight. Go straight. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds great. Sounds great. Much better. Much better. My apologies. My apologies. Heads up. Heads up. That happens. That happens. Nothing else. Nothing else. Not recently. Not recently. Say something. Say something. What nonsense. What nonsense. What happened? What happened? Talk properly. Talk properly. Be calm. Be calm. Be careful. Be careful. Be patient. Be patient. Be safe. Be safe. Calm down. Calm down. Anything else? Anything else? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go away. Go away. Good job. Good job. What else? What else? Of course. Of course. Guess what? Guess what? The same. The same. Not bad. Not bad. Forget it. Forget it. Forgive me. Forgive me. Get out. Get out. Well done. Well done. Try again. Try again. After you. After you. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Believe me. Believe me. Best wishes. Best wishes. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. For what? For what? Go on. Go on. Have fun. Have fun. Help yourself. Help yourself. Stop it. Stop it. Hold on. Hold on. Hurry up. Hurry up. But why? But why? How sad. How sad. I forgot. I forgot. What now? What now? Be quiet. Be quiet. I apologize. I apologize. So what? So what? Take care. Take care. Very good. Very good. No problem. No problem. Slow down. Slow down. Wake up. Wake up. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Follow me. Follow me. Keep going. Keep going. Hang on. Hang on. Turn around. Turn around. Not yet. Not yet. Leave it. Leave it. Sit here. Sit here. Pay attention. Pay attention. Get ready. Get ready. Come in. Come in. Sign here. Sign here. Wait here. Wait here. Work hard. Work hard. Be happy. Be happy. Be kind. Be kind. Feel free. Feel free. Read aloud. Read aloud. Listen up. Listen up. Speak louder. Speak louder. Sit tight. Sit tight. Back off. Back off. Move back. Move back. Be honest. Be honest. Eat well. Eat well. Keep calm. Keep calm. Study hard. Study hard. Smile more. Smile more. Thanks for watching and stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe Easyish English channel for more videos. Good luck.